I want to show you how I managed to increase my live stream audience by 100%. And all I had to do was restream my stream. Now, it's true, I did manage to increase my live stream audience by 100% using Restream. And I actually reached out to them and I said, look, I love your software. And they said that they would very kindly sponsor my next videos on Restream. So I'm going to be making a few videos about it because I really do love it, and I think everybody should know about it. It really is a great bit of software. Now, what it does actually do, I'm just going to shove it on screen for you so you can see what I'm seeing right now. So if you put in the link in the description, you'll come to this page here, and it is very, very simple to make an account, and you can do that, and it's absolutely free. That's how the beauty of this, it is absolutely free. There is a paid for service, which I will tell you about, but really, you really don't need to use it unless your stream gets to a stage where, you know, it pays for itself and then you can upgrade your service. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log in right now. So once you log in, this is the page that you will get here, that you will see. As you can see, you've got Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, you've got Twitter, you've got LinkedIn, Dailymotion, many others that I actually don't even know what they are. These are all free. So everyone here is completely free. Now, if you want to upgrade, if you want to use a Facebook Live or a public page, or a Facebook group, I should say, or a public page, or a custom RTMP, then you would have to upgrade to the premium services. But rest assured, if you're just starting out, if you've just got a small stream, then the free package is more than adequate. It's more than adequate for my needs, I should say. So all you would do is you would pick a service and, well, I'll just show you what I've already got here. These are the services I've got here. I've got Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. So whenever I go live, I go to all four of those services at the same time. And not only that, the live chat comes up. I can put it on screen so everybody can see what everybody's talking to each other, even though they're not on the same platform. It really is great. I will show you that in another video, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and keep notifications on, and that way you will see that video when it goes online. Now, as you can see, I use this for my family quiz channel, and it's really easy to update it. I've already got that for this Saturday here, but if I wanted to update it, I would literally just update the stream here. So if I wanted to put that in and then maybe make it, say I wanted to make it to the 8th, I would just put that there, and I can also put in a description. I can't even spell. Awesome. There we go. And all I would do is click on update all, and there we go. Now they are all updated, and you'll see the description and when you actually go online. Now, if I don't want to put it to Facebook for this time, I can just turn it off. Simple as that. And then to go live, you would just use your software that you use. Whatever one you use to go live. I use Ecamm Live, and if you use Ecamm Live, this works flawlessly for Ecamm Live. It really is amazing. Once you go live, you then go into Live Studio, and your screen, whatever you're broadcasting at the time, would then show up on that screen. I don't actually have anything at the moment, but what I will do, I'll show you now on Ecamm how easy it is to go live to Restream. I just noticed when I was editing this video that I did not actually show you how to add a channel. So I'm going to do that right now. So, well, first of all, I'll show you how to remove a channel. I'll remove Twitch here. Now, all we do is click on the little cog here. Okay, click on that and click remove channel. How simple is that? And click on remove. Now, guess what? We click on add channel. And then we want to, whatever you want to add, you click on. So I'm just going to click on Twitch, and then it asks me to connect with Twitch, and it's going to ask me to put in my details if I hadn't already done that before, like your password and your login details, I'm trying to say. So all I'm going to do is authorize that because I've already been logged in before. And there we go. I'm now logged in. Fantastic. How easy is that? Really is simple to use. I love Restream. So on Ecamm, it's really, really simple. You just go down to your little arrow here. And as you see, I was recording earlier on, but all I would then do is just go into pick Restream.io. Simple as that. And you will be prompted to sign in. I'll just give an example of one that I've not signed in before. If I go into Twitch, it will then ask me to log in. And it comes up with your username and password. That's exactly the same thing as what will happen with Restream. So if I just go into Restream, it then comes up with go live. So once you're logged in, it just says go live, and then it's just a case of clicking go live, and you will be live on all 4 or whatever many platforms that you have gone live to. Really, really simple, brilliant, really great bit of software. Okay, so say I've convinced you and you want to use Restream. Well, if you use my link, which is restream.io/join/Stu, you'll actually get $10 credit. Even if you just use the free version, you still get that $10 credit to use if you wish to upgrade in the future. So how do you upgrade? How do you upgrade so you can use your Facebook page, your public Facebook page? Click on that upgrade link, and there we go. We already have $10 in credit being referred to Restream. So whenever you sign up, you'll get that $10 credited onto your account, and these are the prices here. So if your stream is big enough, or you want to grow into your stream, say your stream gets really, really large, you can always use that $10 at a later date if you're not ready to do now. But just make sure you use my link on screen, put it in the pinned comment as well, and in the description, restream.io/join/Stu to get your $10 discount. In my next video, I'm going to show you just a quick video, how to enable live chat onto the screen at the same time as you go live. So make sure you subscribe for that video, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.